Far too many people these days miss out on capturing life's best moments simply because they don't have the right drone. The truth is, the best drones today go way beyond simple flying toys. They deliver cinematic footage, smarter controls, and stress-free flying experiences. And we've gathered the best options ready and waiting for you. But first of all, make sure to use our links because they're going to take you straight to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's go. Number 5. Plegble 511, great for beginners and budget buyers. This foldable FPV drone comes with a 4K Ultra HD camera featuring a 120-degree wide-angle lens and a 90-degree adjustable design. It captures clear 3,840 by 2,160 photos and videos with smooth first-person transmission. The highlight here is flight time. This drone comes with 3 modular batteries, giving you up to 45 minutes in the sky, something rare at this price point. With brushless motors, it's stable, efficient, and resistant to wind. You also get safety features like one-key takeoff, altitude hold, emergency stop, and even a beyond-range alarm system, so you won't lose it mid-flight. And the best part? It weighs under 250 grams, so no FAA or remote ID registration is required. Plegble delivers a fun and safe experience, especially if you're just starting your drone journey. Number 4. Holy Stone is 360S, a GPS drone packed with premium features at an affordable price. Weighing just under 249 grams, this one also avoids FAA registration, but it adds professional functions like precise GPS positioning, automatic return to home, and multiple creative flight modes. The 4K Ultra HD camera is powered by a Galaxy Core sensor, offering beautiful shots with an 85-degree wide-angle lens adjustable by remote. Unlike budget drones, this model boasts up to 10,000 feet control range, thanks to Holy Stone's advanced intelligence system. Though each battery gives you about 20 minutes, the GPS stability, waypoint flight, follow me mode, and one-tap creative shots make this drone shine for travel, vlogging, and adventure filming. The Holy Stone 360S bridges the gap between affordability and professional-grade features, giving you more control than ever before. Number 3. DJI Neo, the ultra-lightweight smart drone that makes flying feel effortless. Weighing just 135 grams, this mini drone is even lighter than most smartphones and is perfect for anyone who wants regulation-free fun. Its standout feature is controller-free flight. With palm takeoff and landing, subject tracking, and quick shot modes, this drone practically flies itself. You can control it with your phone, your voice, or an optional remote. DJI stabilization technology ensures smooth 4K video, even in windy conditions, and full propeller guards keep things safe indoors or around obstacles. The DJI Neo is ideal for family gatherings, hiking trips, or casual content creators who want cinematic footage without carrying bulky gear. For under $200, it's one of the easiest and safest drones to start flying right away. Number 2. DJI Mini 4K, the ultimate beginner-friendly drone with pro-level results. This under 249-gram drone does not require FAA registration, but delivers features usually found in premium models. It comes with a powerful 4K Ultra HD camera on a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth cinematic footage no matter the conditions. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes per battery and level 5 wind resistance, the Mini 4K is ready for challenging environments. Its 10-kilometer HD video transmission gives you freedom to fly farther and capture more. Whether you're a beginner using one-tap takeoff and return to home, or experimenting with quick-shot modes like Droney, Rocket, and Circle, this drone makes content creation easy, compact, reliable, and stunningly capable. The DJI Mini 4K is one of the best all-rounders on the market. Number 1. Potensic Atom C, our top pick for balance of performance, flight time, and price. At under 249 grams, this foldable drone is lightweight, portable, and regulation-friendly. It features a 4K eyes camera with a Sony sensor, delivering smooth stabilized footage at 30 frames per second. With Surgefly control modes, you get beginner-friendly stability but also advanced options like sport mode, which can push speeds up to 16 meters per second. What truly sets the Atom C apart is its impressive 62 minutes of total flight time, thanks to two included batteries. It also supports up to 4 kilometers of HD transmission with PixSync 2.0, meaning you can fly far while still enjoying a stable video feed. GPS auto return. Follow me, waypoint flight, and circle flight add to the intelligent features, making it a complete package for both beginners and experienced pilots. In conclusion, whether you're just starting with drones or looking to upgrade to something more professional, each of these models delivers outstanding value for its price. Plegble is the affordable beginner's choice. Holy Stone packs GP's power into a small package. DJI Neo makes flying fun and simple. DJI Mini 4K delivers pro-level stabilization. And the potensic Atom C tops them all, with long flight times and powerful features. All the links to these drones are listed below, so make sure to check them out for the latest deals and discounts.